This room dries out my throat. I have Liam Neeson in my throat and I'm going to find you. Have you ever stopped and thought, this is not the life I imagined living? Ever felt like you weren't making the impact that you want? Like you're not following your purpose? Have you ever dreamed about living a heroic life? Set out to slay the dragon, to save the world, to gain the loot, to experience more of life? Then this channel is here to help you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. What's up, game changers? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. In this series, we're taking concepts from tvtropes.org in the role-play game mechanics, role-play game elements section, and we're bringing those into real life so that you can live a better life. So you can take these things that you know so well already and incorporate those into your real life. Why? Because that's how I've learned personal growth, and it's worked out well with me, right? You already know these things. You just attach them in different ways so that you can make more sense of them, so that you can use them better. I mean, you don't learn something just as it is. You learn it by connecting it to other things. That's how you learn a second language, a third language, by attaching it to other pegs that you already know. So this one is called All in a Row. So if you think of an RPG, you have like the leader, and then you have all the little subordinates following in the behind, right? Following behind. This is the picture that they had is of Pikmin. And it's got Olmar, right? And he's the big guy with the helmet. And then you have all the little Pikmin behind. This actually, at first I was like, what can I do about this? Is it related to cognitive functions? Could be. You know, you could have your dominant function as the leader, and then all the other ones are there supporting that. If you don't know your cognitive functions and you're on this channel, then I can't help you with that in this video. But actually, the way that I wanted to take this is the big domino. What I mean by that is, what is the big thing that is going to knock all the other ones down? If you knock it down, everything is just destroyed. And I mean that in a good way, in terms of progress, in terms of life goals, in terms of changing yourself, in terms of becoming a bigger, better hero and leveling yourself up. If you're depressed, then you have these beliefs about that identity of being depressed. It's actually a state, but that's maybe for another video. And each of these beliefs are supporting that conclusion that you are depressed. And so it could be like, well, I know I'm depressed because I wake up and I have no energy, because I'm not fulfilling my goals, because nobody loves me, because I don't love myself, whatever they are, whatever those beliefs are. One of those beliefs are going to be the big domino. And when you knock that over, all in a row, you're going to make more progress, and you're going to more easily get rid of that identity fallacy that I am depressed. And I don't know what it is for you. I don't know your situation. But I think you can, and you probably already know, you probably have some ideas that, okay, this is actually the one thing that I really do need to just do. This is going to be the Pareto principle, the 20% that is going to give the 80% of the impact. Because that 20%, that big domino, that the leader, the hero in the RPG questing party is going to lead, and everything else is going to follow from there. So I want to know down below what it is that you know. I'm not going to try to rhyme. I want to know down below what it is that you feel is important about this. Like, how in your life, what is that thing that needs to be done that's going to impact the rest of your life and the other areas in your life? If you drink more water, you're going to be happier, you're going to be healthier, you're going to be more hydrated, you're going to have more clarity of thought, etc., etc. Like, what is the thing that you need to do that's going to solve a lot of the problems in your life? Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.